My name is Ben Wood, and I'm the General Manager for Coronado Plumbing. Coronado Plumbing has been in business for about 35 years now. We are mainly a residential service company. We service Tucson homeowners. And right now we have about 21 employees, and we are continuing to grow. CS Designs has been a huge help for our company. They have originally started with developing our website. And once we developed that relationship a little bit more and more, kind of learned that they offer a lot more than just website development. And we've kind of gotten into some training for our techs, sales training, customer service training. They've also helped us out with our IT and technical stuff, software development and implementation. They've been a huge help for us. Before we started using CS Design Studio, we had a very, very little piece of our business coming from internet. And at this point, it has more than quadrupled since we've started using CS Designs, which for a business like us that thrives on retaining our customers that we see, it's huge. It's enormous. As a business, I see us not only growing in Tucson, but moving to other geographical areas like the Phoenix market. But the bigger picture is for us to basically be the dominant service company in Arizona completely. And I know CS Design is going to help us do that. CS Design, like us, is growing, and they're kind of finding their niche. And as a consultant and brand recognition, I would recommend them to anyone.